Mr. Prashant Sinha, additive manufacturing expert, India Markforged. He has over 2 decades of experience in product lifecycle management, customer relationship management, CAD/CAM software, product development, and product design. With demonstrated expertise in additive manufacturing, Mr. Prasad and his information technology professional with a tool engineering focused in plastic, sheet metal, and die casting. He has specialties in DFMEA, APQP, new product design and engineering tool and die and jigs and Fisher design. Today, Mr. Prashant will be taking about how additive manufacturing is transforming a complex systems of parts into digital files to store in the cloud and print on demand. Let's welcome Mr. Prashant.
Today, we are going to find out how additive manufacturing can transform a complex system of parts into digital files that can be stored in the cloud and printed on demand and on site. To this agenda, I'll put little focus on what is additive manufacturing. Before taking a deep dive into additive manufacturing, we'll understand our traditional way of manufacturing. Then on the second is challenges in industry. Third, adoption of Markforged, few of the case studies from our customers. An introduction to Markforged, overview of the company. Then introduction to the theme, the digital forge from Markforged. The Markforged solution, the cloud architecture, the software that we use. And at the last, we will have a question and answer session. So we all know that for many years, we have been using traditional way of manufacturing that is called as subtractive manufacturing, which is a process by which 3D objects are constructed by cutting away material from a solid block of material, most typically done with a CNC machine or any conventional machines. Now, what are the steps involved in subtractive manufacturing? First, we design a part in CAD software. Second, we go for a mold design or a tool design. Third, we do a preparation by subtractive manufacturing. That is, we cut a solid block, we mill it, or we do it on CNC milling or lathe or any conventional machine, and do by subtractive method. We cut down into chips. At the end of the day, what we produce is a chip of steel. Now, on the fourth, the moment your molds are ready or pressure die casting tool or any tool is ready, you go for production. You process your plastic pellets or maybe aluminum or zinc. You melt down in a screw liquefier, and then you inject mold into the mold final to take the shape. Now, what is additive manufacturing? So the 3D printing process builds a 3-dimensional object from a computer-aided design, basically a CAD model, usually by adding material layer by layer, which is why it is called additive manufacturing. Now we'll see that how additive manufacturing complements your traditional method, that is subtractive manufacturing. So the step one is same. You design your part in CAD software, be it in any CAD software. The second is you directly 3D print a part. So you are directly, surpassing 2 different processes. You don't have to design your tool. You don't have to go for production. You can directly 3D print a part. Let us look into the market pressures that our mining industry and other construction and energy industries are facing today. So while the general trend has been growth, there are some nuanced trends that is important to understand. The first one is leaner and greener manufacturing. As we tighten our emission targets, there is pressure on reducing waste and finding new ways to manufacture components more efficiently. Desire for on-demand and on-site solutions. When there are disruptions in maintenance, repair, and operation, we can no longer afford shut things down while we wait for a new part to arrive. Spare parts obsolescence management. Customizable and replicable solutions. Skilled labor shortage. Focus for next 5 years, productivity as opposed to exploration. Markforged transforms the industry, offers design flexibility and industrial strength parts with high accessible solutions. The best is the additive manufacturing that offers is digital inventory today. Any material, any shape, on demand. The use of additive manufacturing can allow manufacturers to reduce the amount of labor needed in the manufacturing process, as fewer parts or sub-assemblies mean fewer resources required to assemble those components. Now, customers using additive manufacturing see increased efficiency in several parts of their manufacturing operation. Increased process speed, often related to lightweighting benefits of additive manufacturing. Reduced downtime, no long lead times to replace the parts. Greater yields, improve the design of your line to be more efficient. Let's take a look into the current adoption of Markforged, some few case studies from our customers. Russell Mineral Equipment is a global leader in the design, manufacture, supply, and operation of mill refining technologies and services. They are based out in Australia. One of their projects is the Thunderbolt recoilless hammer. This product allows for faster movement between the bolts and faster alignment, along with increased hammer preloading compared to conventional methods. The second is from RaptorTech. They design and manufacture customized, ruggedized industrial IoT sensors for mining machines and other harsh environments. The picture what you see is a sensor enclosure to suit the customer requirements. Printing on Markforged Onyx filament, which is our blend of nylon and chopped carbon fiber, is a composite material. The required structural and thermal properties with none of the upfront tooling cost. The next project what you see in the screen was a collaboration between Mech3D, Westtrac, and Telstra. The mission was to roll out 4G LTE network. The innovation team Westtrac wanted to pursue with this project with additive manufacturing and at the same time validate capabilities of 3D printed parts. On the screen, what you see is the brackets for the connectors and cabling. So this was used on an autonomous fleet where when one vehicle goes offline, the surrounding fleet halted completely. So the solution was a protective bracket to isolate movement of cables between connector, support cable itself. Markforged printer provided reliable, structurally sound parts. So what you see on the screen is our desktop printer, and this is the part bracket printed and how this cable routing has been done on the bracket. The next is customer Imdex Limited, is a global mining tech company. The company develops drilling optimization products and cloud connected sensors to provide real-time rock knowledge and quality ID. So some of the projects, they do PCB programming jig on the left side top screen, then they do lid cover, outlet chute, and then interlock housing. This is all done with the help of converged printing. The next is the battery case study for which the customer cannot be named. The project is about downhole surveying equipment, which needed power and battery was only solution. Suppliers could not deliver previous installation with other engineering materials like ABS. This is where the Markforged came into picture, which are composite high strength parts. There was no standard solution for better replacement. So they printed a series of the batteries and then installed for the application. The next is the Mechanics. They manufacture professional grade tools, generators, and construction equipment. Constant innovation is a large part of their strategy, and that means constant prototyping and need for custom end-use parts, all make with Markforged complete solution. So they printed a specialized bumper for construction equipment. That was an end-use application. This construction-grade pressure washer is equipped with a 3D printed Onyx bumper, which also function as a load-bearing component. Using Markforged 3D printers instead of their previous equipment not only made it more cost-effective to manufacture, it made it possible for mechanics to consolidate components and apply their brand to the part. The next case study is very interesting from Siemens Energy. They needed a cutback tool for working on some of their turbines in the field. Now they were facing a lot of challenges during this COVID times and logistic issues. Now you cannot bring those large turbines to your offsets situated workhouse. Now, after designing a prototype, Siemens requested initial feedback from field engineers and redesigned the tool with the suggestions in mind. Pictured, what you see on the left side is the updated version, which is easier to handle and is more ergonomic. Just one of these tools saved the companies huge lot of dollars, and there are several of them in the field currently being used as end-use part. Siemens can now service field engineers requests at a faster rate than ever before. They are based out in Florida, and they have a series of industrial series printers from Markforged, and them helping them ability to help their field engineers faster than before. The next slide, I'll play the video from Siemens Energy. So one of their setup, additive manufacturing setup, in-house what they have and how they are getting the benefit out of this.
Innovation Center, we're an end-to-end solution provider within Siemens. We're able to take a concept all the way to final implementation, all under one roof. So we saw the capabilities of the Markforged printers, and we saw the finished quality we get from the prints, the strength of the material, and we wanted to have a more industrial printer to be able to fast prototype and also potentially using it as a final tooling. When we first used the Markforged printers, a lot of people thought it would just be used for prototypes. And so there was an initial surprise by our end users that we were actually giving them a 3D printed part that they could actually use in the field or in a repair facility or manufacturing facility as the actual tool.
The major benefit of having the 3D printers in-house is that the time to develop an idea is dramatically shorter. Within a day or 2 days, we can go from an idea that we whiteboarded to a CAD model to a 3D printed part in our hands. So it drives the cycle time down as well.
The Markforged industrial printers act as a digital factory for us. In the past, you would have to make design decisions, do down selections during the design phase. We can now take 3 or 4 different designs, print them out, do the form function test, and then make a decision there which way to go forward. It just allows us to cut costs, and that money is realized back within the business units.
So with the Markforged 3D printer, we get great resolution on the parts. It looks like a real tool that you would buy from a store or something that would be in production.
So if there's an issue with one of the gas turbines out in the field and it has to go down, that means the lights go out or power has to come from somewhere else. So we developed this contoured cutback tool that allows the technicians to make a precise cut exactly where they need to. So this entire contoured cutback tool has been 3D printed. The only off-the-shelf components we had to use were some screws and the actual pneumatic spindle. We were printing this tool as a prototype, but we found that the Markforged carbon fiber composite material is actually robust enough to withstand field use. So we developed 4 kits that are deployed locally.
The Markforged printers have allowed our engineers to be more innovative by encouraging them to fail fast. It allows them to print multiple different designs, make changes to them without having to do that in a design space. And it allows them to get to a final solution quicker, to respond to these rapid prototypes that we have to develop for our business. With the additive manufacturing and the industrial Markforged printers that we're using, the sky's the limit.
So I hope you enjoyed the video. So Siemens started its own Markforged print farm with several industrial series X7 3D printers you must have seen in the video, giving them the ability to help field engineers faster than before. The next case study is from Stanley Black & Decker. So they have printed an end-use metal part. On the screen, what you see is an actuator assembly, which has been printed out from our metal printer, MetalX technology. You can also go for hybrid parts to overcome size limitation, custom tooling you can do. You can also think for a hybrid solution where you can print, say for example, in the picture you see a handle printed out of a composite printer, the plastic polymer, and a metal part, the star stud bracket, what you see is been fitted with this. The US military and militaries around the world are using Markforged high-strength additive manufacturing to secure their supply chains. Like in mining, in military operations, the ability to keep going without interruptions due to maintenance and operations is critical. Some of the safety taggings you can do for your environmental, some logos, some letter tags, some of the Kaizen handlings, holding the equipments, that is also possible with all 3D printing. Now the company overview about Markforged, established in 2013 in Boston, USA. Founding team comes from MIT, industry leaders in enterprise adoption plus enablement. As per Deloitte, this is the second fastest growing hardware company. And as per Forbes, next $1 billion startup. Now the industrial 3D printing platform, what we call is the Digital Forge, bringing the power of agile software engineering to the world of industrial manufacturing. The Digital Forge is nothing but composed of software, printers, and materials working seamlessly on a unified platform. We do have industrial printers, full range of printers for plastics, continuous fiber, and metal. So on the left side, you see is a composite printer and then metal. So you can have both. You can print custom parts as a hybrid solution also, or as a separate on a composite and as a separate with metal printer also. We do have an enterprise software, which is a cloud-based software. The software is called Eiger. You can do complete fleet management on a global scale, single user experience across online platform. You can manage your print files from a remote location. You can fire your prints. You can see the status of your parts. All that can be managed through our enterprise software. Wide range of proprietary materials unlocks broad set of applications. If you look into the composite, so we do have our basic material, that is Onyx. Onyx is our trade name, which is the scientific formula is nylon plus chopped carbon fiber. Then we have Onyx fire retardant for aerospace. Then Onyx electrostatic dissipative material for electronics. Along with this base material, during the print, you can continuously reinforce with all these three fibers, one at a time, based on your application requirements. So first fiber, what you see is a carbon fiber. The second is Kevlar, and third is the fiberglass. We do also have high strength, high temperature fiberglass. Now on the metal side, we have 17.4 pH stainless steel. We have Inconel 625 for high temperature and pressure requirements. We do have hot die steel S13. We do have die steel D2 and A2, 2 grades, and then we have copper. Now, with Markforged, you can easily replace your traditional manufactured steel and aluminum parts. So our continuous fiber reinforced technology gives you 11 times stronger than our base material Onyx and 25 times stronger than ABS plastic, what you have with other competitors in the world. So majority are replacing the metal parts. Customers are already using our technology to replace the metal applications. So the tensile strength, what you see, you can achieve from 71 megapascal to 800 megapascal with our CFR technology. We do have Onyx ESD. It's a good candidate for explosives manufacturers. Onyx ESD is a high performance ESD dissipative version of Onyx for the electronics manufacturing industry and beyond. It has a surface resistance of 10 to the power 5 to 10 to the power 9 ohms, with tensile strength at 850 megapascal and tensile modulus as 3.4 gigapascal. These are our broad portfolio of printers for manufacturing, starting from desktop range, the Onyx 1 and Mark II. X7 is our industrial printer for polymer composite, and then Metal X is our printer for metal output, along with the furnace, the Center 2 machine. Then let us take into our cloud architecture look. So a lot of companies are moving towards cloud as a way to be able to send parts digitally and print on site. With Markforged cloud solution architecture, engineers upload their files, maybe a STL file, from an office that could be thousands of kilometers away, while service technicians pull the digital inventory to the local printer as needed. So you can get the parts anywhere in hours, upload and initial prints either remotely or on-site in seconds, digital inventory, no need to hold physical parts to satisfy demand. Organization level, you can manage the part management, version controls, give the rights to different number of users, as many users you can manage, and any number of machines you can manage through our Eiger fleet management system software. Our footprint, Markforged has the world's largest connected fleet with over 10,000 plus printers in the field, spanning over 73 countries. These printers have produced over 10 million plus parts as of date.